Let's see if this can still recover. Welcome, I see if you were on YouTube as well. So I see some strength coming into the dollar. Little drawdown in this position. Still here too. Let's see if dollar can continue. Still mainly focused on the metal trades. They're the highest volatility and the highest gain. Of course, crypto does have some gain, and we had for Ethereum we do have an MPOC below here, and we did grab all liquidity above here and not below here. So there is a possibility we go lower, but that's why we have a stop loss right here. So if we can hit this MPOC, this would be a new entry because we're still in this uptrend, and I'm still looking at grabbing this liquidity on top. So same for Bitcoin. This MPFC, if we can still keep this lows. So I think I'm gonna even make it like this, just to keep it safe. So let me also adjust that in. So that's also saved in. So just to give it a little more room, if we hit the MPC, we're still in. And I'm gonna add on orders if we have a nice reaction. So our average entry will become in between. For Ethereum, I might do the same. If we can get a proper reaction like we get the first time, even better. If that's not the case, no add-ons will be traded because it could drop also. Crypto is very volatile at the moment. So trading low, actually low risk trades there. Beautiful short. Welcome, I see a new viewer joined the stream. I hope you have an amazing night. We're currently trading Asian session, so we're waiting for the volume to come in and to market to open. In half an hour, the first volume will come in, and after that at 2 o'clock, so 2 a.m. for me. So for me, that will be GMT plus 2. UTC GMT +2. And if you want to check your market hours yourself, I would advise my FX book because they have a beautiful chart here where we can see in 55 minutes Tokyo will open. So that's 2 a.m. for me. And we just had the Australian Open already. So, and a hell of half an hour after that, we have Shanghai and Hong Kong opening. So we're currently waiting for the volume of that markets to open. Welcome to the stream. I see some new viewers joining. Thank you for joining. How are you tonight? So guys, what pairs are you looking at the moment? Except for the streaming, of course. You're looking at silver right now. But which other coins or pairs are you looking at? Is there a trade I'm missing that I should have known about? Or just your favorite asset to trade? You know, full energetic into this Asian. Destroy the markets. It's a calm start, but welcome to the stream. I see a new viewer joined. I hope you enjoy your night right now and you're doing great. If there are any music requests, also leave them in the chat. Maybe we can share some nice tunes together. And also, please, if you're here, don't forget to drop a follow. Would be very much appreciated. I'm trying to reach 100 followers by the end of the year, if possible. So it's a small click for you guys, but a big gesture for me. Or to me. Excuse me for the music glitch. Spotify glitched for a second. See a nice reaction on silver right now building up. Gold also building up some strength, so that's nice for our moves. Euros should get some strength, but it's not moving very happily yet. Here we have some nice liquidation grabs, so this should move down. We see some moving right now. Same for USDJPY. Should move down. The flatlining, we should have seen an easy new high, but we didn't see it, so this is also a nice sell trade. A lot of winds running right now. Let's check back on Bitcoin. Still recovering. Ethereum also still recovering. Building up support, so it's no problem at the moment. That's why we use stop losses. Solana also building up support, so no problems yet. Still currently in drawdown, but all part of trading, my guys. It's not all green numbers. That's why we keep the loss counter and the win counter. Also, we are transparent about all our losses. And we did get some losses in October, but we got quite a few more wins, so. Welcome to the new viewer that joined the stream. I hope you're doing great. Welcome, I see some new viewers joining. Welcome to the stream. I hope you're all doing great. Let me know in the chat if there are any music requests or chart requests. We can share some tunes and also look at the charts together. Since Radu left, the chat got quiet, my friends. Let me know, how are you? What pair should I look at? Besides the pairs we are already trading and the setups we already shared in stream. Welcome, I see some new viewers joining. I hope you're all enjoying your night. Currently not showing any strength in crypto, but small positions, so not something to worry about. We are fully focused actually on the Forex market at the moment, but still have some positions from crypto. But still, for the crypto, I will be aiming up because a lot of people are panic selling right here because we are reaching some lows here. And after this dip, a lot of people will be looking for way down, way more down. So there's still a little bit playing around at entry, but we did hit anti-POC over here. So that's a clear sign there's resistance right now. If we break the MPOC, that's a bad sign for this trade. But if we get a nice reaction from this POC, clearly proper trades, nice setup, and also the first take profits levels are also really clear in this picture. So target will be around the bottom right here. But first, let's focus on take profit 1 and 2. See a little local drawdown on silver after we filled the full wick of the opening. So let's see what silver will do. At the moment, I see a lot of buys coming in, but the price is not doing much, so that's not a good sign, but it could delay a little in price action. So we see volume coming in, but not not much at the moment. A little Zaza.
I can't believe this!
Moment, thank you very much. I see one gifted sub. Thank you, my guy. Quick check of all the charts we had open. Welcome, I see some new viewers in the chat. How is your evening going? For me, it's middle of the night almost, but small details. Night owl life. Let me grab my drink. Sorry for the sound. welcome to the stream. I see some new viewers joining. I hope you're all enjoying your night and also the beginning of this Asian session. We're currently waiting for the volume to come in, with already a beautiful first reaction of silver. I see some viewers on YouTube coming in. Thank you very much for joining. I hope you're all doing very well. We looks like this trace will continue to move lower, although we hit an important level, daily level, so it could still be support for Solana. That's why we kept our stop loss just below that. For Bitcoin, could potentially still keep this low, so for Ethereum doesn't look that strong actually. Do have some bullish divergence now forming, and we do have still have the support of this daily. So Potentially could still reverse, but the weakness is not that good. So I'm gonna be fair about that. We ain't cheating we ain't cheating in the pip army. Every win, every loss, everything is getting shared. Welcome. I see also some new viewers coming in at Kick. How are you guys? Getting more alive in the streams. See some viewers on Kick, see some viewers on YouTube joining. Asian session is starting, volume is coming in, so I hope you're all doing very. Oh, I hope you're all doing great right now. Welcome. I see a new viewer on YouTube as well. I hope you all enjoy your night very much. Let me know in the chat if you wanted to hear a particular song or you want to see a particular chart. We'll take a look together. Market starts with some sideways action. We're also coming up to a big news day. Thursday's big news ahead. A lot of data coming out of the USA. So that's also important to keep in mind. Welcome to the new viewers on Kick as well. I see some new viewers coming in. I hope you're all doing great. We are currently at the beginning of the Asian session. Still some 15 minutes, 20 minutes wait until Tokyo opens. So how are you guys doing right now? Are you all new guys? Or are there some viewers that are here every night with us? And if you're new, please leave that follow. drop that follow. Will be very much appreciated. We're here every night, so tune in whenever you can. Looks like Ethereum wants to break the lows. This is an important one. If we break it, it's done for the crypto this week. I'm still waiting then for the return. So, as I explained, I'm still waiting for higher prices on Bitcoin. But Soul Trade's already taken out, so that's another loss on the counter. I'm gonna add it immediately so you guys all see it's transparent. And we're not gonna talk shit. It's 4 losses right now. Unfortunately, we still have the big trade on Sol running, so if this bottom still holds on, we could potentially see higher prices coming in, and Bitcoin is also still up because we didn't break the MPFC yet. So let's check back on silver. Still some side rejection. So the forex markets and silver markets are still low in volume. But crypto is moving, man. Excuse me. I still think this level has to come on Sol, even though we lost the trade before this one. And we're now currently at the, we can even take this low, currently at the 786 area. And the 886 is also the MPOC, so we could hold our grounds here, but crypto is looking sketchy at the moment. If we can close above this line, Ethereum still has its strength, so but we would have seen it would have been much nicer if we immediately after hitting that MPOC moved up. So the move is already a little weaker than at the beginning of the night. So same for Bitcoin. I would have liked to see an immediate reaction, but we've seen a lot of shorts coming in at the bottom, so that can mean we still move up, but at the moment locally it's showing weakness, so that's not so good for our trades. But we still have some trades in forex running that are pretty good and have nice profits running. So part of trading, you have losses and you have wins. Part of the game. As long as our risk management is on point and we keep making this kind of win rates, you're more than fine. So it's an important rule to keep your risk management fine. Gold posted steepest drop in one day 5 hours ago. It was also beautiful news talk because when we are on the bottom and currently making actually support and we're creating support, they're gonna shout sell, 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 or they're gonna shout buy, buy, buy. It's it's so funny how the news tries to manipulate all retail buyers. So we are just looking for structure, and currently we are still going sideways. So we want to see this break. That's why we took profits already on the 1.2%. So just keep our trade safe. If we hit stop loss now, it's not loss anymore because we already hit profits. So it's actually break even. So that's why risk management is key. It looks like Ethereum still wants to go back up. Bitcoin also. And Solana's most likely to still hit this MPOC, but we will see. We see weakness in the dollar coming in as predicted. Our nice entry at the MPOC on USD CHF we also still have running. So creating fear in the markets. They need liquidation to buy new gold for themselves. Just do. Silver has a lot of trouble with this current resistance. Same for gold. I would have liked to see a lot more respect in this MPUC on gold. Makes it very dangerous actually, but we could see a little drawdown for gold. Just to lure in more sellers and after that reverse. So let's see. Overall, the monthly levels are very strong levels to be trading. So we see it's even a really important monthly because it was our last monthly resistance. So effectively flipping it right now could be very important for silver. How it's going to behave if we close below monthly. This could be downfall for silver. So with the potential silver has, I currently don't see it close below the monthly. So welcome to the stream. I see a new viewer on Kick joining. I hope you're enjoying your nights. On futures, we already hit it, so it's also something to watch. So we could see a reversal back here. So it also plays in line with the trade we are looking at. It's also something important to look at always. Futures are some important things to keep an eye on because they're open contracts for longer times than just in and out, like Forex. So if we see strength in the future market coming in, as we see right now, this should also give strength to the normal markets, but it's not guaranteed. Nothing in trading is guaranteed, guys. It's no magic place in trading. It's just a place for numbers, probabilities, and rules like risk management. So if you manage all those, you can be a profitable trader. And of course, there's also a little bit of the mental state. Got to be mentally healthy and has some steel balls for trading. So if you ain't prepared to take risk, trading is not for you. Can close above the daily, there will be a strong move for Ethereum. For Bitcoin, still, if we can keep the high, so even if we touch it, if we can just don't break the low, it will be amazing for Sol. So let's just keep a close eye on them. And when we hit stop loss, I have my alerts on my phone, so we will get noticed.